Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something a little different. We're going to review a watch. For some time now I've wanted something different from a normal watch, and then I stumbled onto this. This is called the Bradley watch, and it's made by a company called EONE. This watch is special because it was designed for people who are blind or vision impaired in some way. And as you can see here in the unboxing, the packaging even has Braille on it. The Bradley works in a very special way. You can tell time by feeling the position of two ball bearings that are in grooves on the body of the watch. Inside the watch, there's a Swiss quartz movement that moves magnets inside the watch, and these magnets pull on the balls around in the grooves. You can move each ball around in its groove, and as soon as you move it back over the magnet, it will snap back into place. One thing that kind of threw me off at first was how the minutes are on the face of the watch and the hours are on the outside. But on a normal watch, it's the opposite. The hours are closer to the center on a short hand, and the minutes are on the outside on a long hand. I can only guess that's because if the minutes were on the outer edge, the ball would be moving too fast to tell time, since the minute hand moves faster than the hour hand on a normal watch. This watch shown here is a newer design of theirs called the Edge Graphite, and I like the look of this design a little better than their older design. But if someone is actually vision impaired, I'm guessing the look of the watch won't matter as much to them. For this video, we can do a little comparison, although it won't be very scientific since we're just using the other watches I have laying around. The Bradley is a bit thicker than most watches I have at 12mm, compared to this Citizen Eco Drive at 9.1mm and this Fossil at 9.2mm. The Bradley may not be the greatest dress watch due to its thickness because it could get caught on the sleeve of your shirt or jacket, but I haven't found this to be a problem for me so far. The Bradley weighs about 65 grams thanks to its use of titanium. Here we have the Citizen at 89 grams and the Fossil at 58 grams. And just for the heck of it, here's an old swatch at 17. Now, there are a few downsides in this design. It may not be a great sport watch, as too much hard physical movement can cause a ball to spin freely in its groove, though this wouldn't damage the watch. It might also not be the best outdoor watch, since any kind of dirt or sand that gets in the groove could prevent a ball from moving, but again, this won't damage the watch, and it could be fixed by cleaning the groove. And the last point I'll make is this. The watch has no crystal, so you don't have to worry about scratching it. But if you do manage to scratch the metal face of this watch, it probably won't buff out. One question you may have is about the Bradley's name. It was named after a naval officer who became blind while serving in Afghanistan. But he didn't let his blindness hold him back, and he competed in the 2012 and 2016 Paralympic Games, where he won multiple medals and set a world record. Right now, a Bradley can cost you anywhere between $250 and $300 US. I've been wearing my Bradley for about 2 months now, and so far I've been very happy with it. If you're looking for a strange or unique watch, I suggest you take a look at the Bradley. That's it for today's video, and thank you for watching.